Using Autodesk Inventor to create a laminated project. So in this tutorial we're going to start a very simple, draw a couple pieces of wood and basically draw a simple laminated project. So create 2D sketch. From 2D sketch grab the surface or the top, and all I'm going to do is use rectangle center, so 2-point center, and I draw a simple rectangle here. Grab the dimensions. I'm just going to change this to 12 because 12 is the shortest thing that will go through the planer. Okay. And I'm going to make the width of each piece. I'm going to make them, I don't know, let's just make them 3. Okay, so there's my first simple piece. Click on Finish. And if you've done this before, which you should have, click on Extrude, extrude it up. Now the thickness of the wood, by the time you plane it down, is going to be about 3/4 of an inch, so 0.75. Or you can put in 3/4 right away. Okay, and it'll automatically change to that. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on the part itself. And I'm just going to come up to the materials here, and we're going to come all the way down to the bottom, and I'm just going to grab wood, and let's go birch. Okay, so there's my colored piece of wood. Click Save. We're going to save this. I'm going to call this one wood. Or let's call this birch wood. Birch wood. Okay, and we click on Save to my L drive. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Save As, because why do all this work again? And we're going to call this walnut wood next. Walnut wood, click on Save, and all I'm going to do is highlight this piece right away, this part, and come up to my materials, and I'm going to just go to wood walnut, and then click Save. So now I've got my 2 pieces done. Right, so next thing I'm just going to come up to here, and I'm going to go New, and this time around I'm going to go and put it into an assembly. So here's my assembly now. And I'm going to place in, what am I going to place in? I'm going to place in my, let's just go down here, and I called it my walnut wood. So there's my first one I'm going to place in. So I'm going to put 2 of those in. Right mouse click, hit cancel, and then I'm going to place in my birch wood. So I'm going to come down here, go grab, there's my birch wood, open, put that one in, cancel, and now, just like before, oops, I just got to move a couple of these around a bit. So come up to Constrain, and I constrain this surface to this surface. They go the wrong way, so I want them to be flush like that. Hit Apply. I'm just going to click on this end piece. Oh no, we're going to click this piece here, and it doesn't really matter how it's assembled right now. So here to there. Oops, those are flush, so I don't want that. Sorry, that is flush, isn't it? That's mate. So I want it mated. Click Apply, and then end and end. I want them to be flush and apply. Now I want this one over there, so I'm going to click here to here, and again, that's, you can see that surface line up. I'm going to click on Apply, and then I'll click this one here to this one here. They're mated, so I want them to mate, not be flush. Click Apply, and last one I want to do is click here and here, and I want those ones flush, and Apply. So there we go. They have a very simple part of our cutting board or laminated project assembled so far. We're going to stop here and then go on to the next tutorial.